Oh my God. What happened to my hood?
Dude, I think it broke. Actually, no, it flew off. It flew off while you were going 140 miles per hour on the corner of George Bush.
Oh my God.
It went ka-toom!
I mean, at least that's...
At least the windshield was okay.
That's okay.
The windshield's okay. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
If that was something else, dude, Jay would have been gone.
Yeah. My hood flew off.
It's a race car, though. It's a race car.
It's a race car. Stuff happens, but I don't know why I didn't push the hood down before I went.
Nah, bro, you just didn't have what the Mustangs have, the little hood pins.
The hood pins, I didn't have hood pins.
Yeah, that has a little nicer look.
It's not my week. I'm not winning. Been taking fat L's all weekend.
Taking fat L's off that.
Kidding, just kidding. Just primering the hood because I had the smart idea to use chrome. And what's our rule with chrome now?
We're not touching it ever again.
We don't, nope. I don't know what chrome is, but I'm gonna wrap the center portion again. So this, from here is gonna be a different color. We're still gonna do the light blue on both sides, but center portion and the vent is gonna be a totally different color. Okay. Today's day 2, and what we're going to do in this video is show you how to paint your own hood DIY. So yesterday I primered the hood, and today I'm starting to paint it. I actually just started painting it and I forgot to record, but yes, it's all done by rattle can. So just walk with me today and you'll see how to rattle can your own hood and get a professional finish. What you're gonna need to do first is block the whole entire hood yourself. Do the body work first and then primer it. Primer with what I used is, where to go? Automotive Primer Series filler, and spread it all the way around, even coats. And then I used 320 on a block. I forgot where I put my block, but I put my block somewhere, and just worked it in a cross hatch, working from left to right, crossing all the way across. Light pressure, not a lot of heavy pressure, because then you'll work into these ridges. And do that first. Once you're done, fill up a bottle with actually first what you're supposed to do is wipe everything down and then shoot it with primer. Go primer, then spray everything down with primer, block it, then again sand everything down, get everything ready, prep it up, sand it again with 320, and then I'm starting to shoot it with Nighthawk Black from an Acura RSX. And I got this from English Color actually, and then you can get this from any hardware store, automotive store for like $5. And I've got 2 more of those base colors, and then 2K clear, which is 2-part clear. You've got your actual clear itself, and then the hardener in the bottom. Now after shooting the base coat on it, she's looking good. You know, as best as I could with 2 cans, 3 cans without wet sanding it, and keep spraying on it. Keep spraying on and start, you get it down to this and you sand it and respray it a few times, you can get that level, perfect finish. I just need enough paint to actually wrap my car. Back in the corner, you see those 2 colors over there. I'm getting some more tomorrow, but yeah, we're just going to be wrapping it, and that's really it. So now I've got a 2K clear and just shake it up. So you come in here and you pull this top piece off. And then what you do is not on this, but flip it around, and there's that little nipple there, and there's a little hole in here. So what you do is kind of stick it on there. Not on this, because this is a little bit wobbly. So we're gonna walk over here and just give it a nice old smack on the bottom, which what that does is it releases the hardener into the clear. And shake away.